In this fascinating video, a man demonstrates the process of turning a dead animal into a functional robot. This practice, often referred to as biohybrid robotics or robot taxidermy, blends biology and technology to create something that is both eerie and captivating. The concept revolves around utilizing the physical remains of animals, such as their exoskeletons or skeletons, and merging them with electronic components to give them robotic movement. It's a niche area in the broader field of robotics and art, where science, engineering, and creativity intersect. The video starts by showcasing a preserved animal, which could be anything from a bird or insect to a larger creature like a rodent. In many cases, the man would have acquired the animal through legal and ethical means, typically through taxidermy, suppliers, or roadkill preservation. The first step is preserving the body, which involves ensuring that the animal is properly dried, cleaned, and treated to avoid decomposition. This process is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of the animal's body and ensuring that it will last through the robotic modifications. Next comes the delicate procedure of dissecting the animal to insert robotic components. The man carefully opens the body to insert miniature motors, servos, and other electronic devices. These components are wired to give the animal mechanical movement, such as flapping wings, walking, or even mimicking other forms of natural movement. The wiring is typically hidden beneath the animal's skin or within its skeletal structure, creating an illusion that the animal has been brought back to life. Throughout the video, the man explains how he maps the mechanical system to the natural movements of the animal. For example, if he is working with a bird, he would design the motors to replicate the motion of a bird flapping its wings. This requires a good understanding of both biomechanics and robotics. He may use microcontrollers, such as Arduino, to control the motors and dictate how they move based on program commands. Sensors and feedback loops may also be involved to make the movements more fluid and lifelike. What makes this process even more intriguing is the artistic vision behind it. The man isn't just trying to create a simple robot. He is using robotics to explore themes of life, death, and resurrection. By animating a once-living creature, he invites viewers to ponder the relationship between organic and inorganic life. This fusion of art and science creates an unsettling yet captivating effect, as viewers are drawn to the strange, paradoxical nature of a dead animal moving once more. In the final stages of the process, the man carefully reassembles the animal's body, hiding the robotic components as much as possible. Once the project is complete, the animal looks largely unchanged from its original form, except that it can now move as if it were alive. Comment below, share, like, follow,